how I made my delicious vegetable soup that everyone in my house have been talking about. This soup has every detail if you want to learn how to make this soup in case you don't know how to make it. Now, first and foremost, you start by dicing all your veggies. So this is called water leaf. In Akwa Ibom, we call it momoikon. So for those of you that are from Nigeria. And then my pumpkin leaf. So I didn't do full video of this. So this is my meat and my stockfish, my pomo. So I just have to start steaming it at once. So I've added my salt, my seasoning to taste, and then I'm adding my blended pepper with onions. So I blended this pepper with onions, then I turn and then cover. I went to check on my fish. So I have this fish that I've already roasted with my oven. So I want to add it to it. So now I'm checking on my meat. So the meat stock has already brought out some water. You can see I didn't add water to it while steaming it. So I want to add my fish now. This fish is just optional. It's not must. I just wanted to use it. So I have other fish which I have added too. So I have to turn to mix them together so that they can boil. So I have to add some little water and then cover to boil. Now I've opened it and everything has steamed inside. You know, the flavor inside here was mind-blowing. So I have to add my periwinkle with the shell. So this is how I want it. So I covered for it to steam a bit and then it is done. So at this point I'm adding my water leaf step by steps because I have a lot of it. So I have to take my time in mixing them together. So here I'm done. I'm trying to mix them together. Not all. I still have some more left aside. So I'm mixing together so it will not it will have space. If I pour oil, it's going to be bunky and it's going to have some difficulty in turning since this is the only biggest pot I have. So now I'm adding more of it. I'm gradually filling it up again so that I can turn again. So I'm turning, trying to mix them step by step, making sure everything mix, everything mixed together so it will have some inside the pot, down the pot. So I'm still missing more because I still have more of it. So I'm done. I added a bit salt and then added microfish to taste. So I covered for it to mix together and then now I've opened, they have all synced together. So I'm going to turn, mix them together, mix them very well. So you can see as I'm mixing. So I'm adding my red oil. So I'm adding it because I want it to boil a little. But I can still add my red oil later. You will see what I'm talking about. So I'm adding my veggies. This is pumpkin leaf. So if you don't have pumpkin leaf and you have any other leaf, you can use depending on where you're watching this video from. So you have to start turning. If you have watched this video to this extent, please give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to this channel because you'll be having more of local Nigerian dishes on my channel as a mom and as a lifestyle content creator. So at this moment I'm still missing my veggies, missing them, adding because I still have a lot of it. As you can see how yummy this soup is actually looking already. So I added more of my oil because there's no veggies soup without an oil. This is the go for me. At this junction the soup is ready. You love it, right? Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.